78. Klar for Usain Bolt i bane 5. Ja, en superstart på Mike Rogers. Så kommer Usain Bolt, og Kim Collins holder følge, men Bolt er klart den beste, og er i mål på 9,85. Ja, fantastisk igjen av Usain Bolt. Det er ny årsbeste av Bolt, det er altså årsbeste i verden.
Speed.
25, second clap.
All right. And that camera's good, right? Camera over there is good? Cool. So what I want to know is, at what age did you start dreaming about being an Olympic champion?
After the World Juniors, really. I was 15. I ran in front of my home crowd, and the energy and the love that I got let me want to do more for my country, let me want to do more in track and field. And I was like, yeah, you know what, I want to be an Olympic champion.
At this stage of your career, how great is the pressure?
For me, I try not to pressure myself too much because the worst thing you can do is start worrying. You got to remind yourself that, listen, I want to do good for myself. I have to just work hard and do my best. You got to remind yourself that you can't win everything. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some, for sure. That's how the sport is. And the first thing my coach taught me when I was in this